Hello guys, today let's talk about installing Steam on your Trimui Smart Pro handheld device. So basically, you can't install Steam directly on the Trimui since it runs on a lightweight Linux-based OS designed for retro emulation and ARM hardware, not the x86 architecture Steam requires. What you can do is stream Steam games from a PC. The most common method is using Moonlight or Sunshine, which lets the Smart Pro act as a client while your PC does the heavy lifting. Once set up, you connect both devices to the same network, pair them, and then stream your Steam library to the handheld. Don't worry about these emulators, these are completely free and open source. So basically, performance depends on your Wi Fi speed and the power of your computer.